With the multi-sorting feature from Skewblocks, you can scan an entire batch of units in just a matter of seconds. No more wasting time sorting products one by one. Sort multiple product units simultaneously, remove the chance of human error, and accelerate your rate of shipping. First step, scan your product. You'll be shown exactly how many units you need to sort and the precise slot where they belong. With multi-sorting, you can say goodbye to the tedious and time-consuming task of sorting items one by one. Simply press the Sort Units button and scan the barcode. It's that easy. You'll receive a confirmation message letting you know that your items have been successfully sorted and are ready to hit the road. And if you go into the Skewblocks hub and check the Skewblocks wall activity in real time, you'll see that all your items have been marked as sorted and ready for shipping. No more sluggish sorting. Try a smoother, faster workflow with Skewblocks now.